Have you noticed something very strange? There is a tree in front of our house. We pass it every day, going to work, coming back from work, and yet we don't really see it. One day, when the mind is quiet, when there is no hurry, suddenly we notice, oh, this tree has become greener. New leaves have come, birds have made nests. Life has been happening there all along. The tree was never old, only our attention was absent. My dear friends, on a new year, on a so-called new day, the first thing I want to say is this. Every day is new, but because we don't really see the day, we keep waiting for special dates to feel something new. The day is never old. The sun is never old. This moment has never existed before, and yet we carry our entire past into it. Think about this quietly. If your whole year is old, how can one single day be new? If every morning till yesterday you looked at the sunrise with old eyes, how will today's sunrise suddenly look new? Your eyes are the same, your habits are the same, your mind is the same, and the mind is very clever at turning everything into the past. That is why we create tricks, new clothes, new food, new music, new decorations, and we say something new has happened. But nothing new happens through objects. A new shirt becomes old the moment you wear it. A new car becomes old within months. A new house soon feels familiar because the mind is old. Only a fresh mind can see freshness. And a fresh mind does not belong to yesterday. Have you noticed something strange? The moment something new arrives, we already start worrying about how long it will last. The excitement is short, then boredom returns. Why? Because we are not changing ourselves. We are only changing things around us. We repaint the house. We replace the car. We replace clothes. But the same old mind sits inside. That is why life feels repetitive. This habit of constantly renewing things has created great tension in the world. Relationships suffer. Marriages suffer. Because when objects don't feel new anymore, people start treating human beings the same way, as if love depends on novelty. But love does not grow through repetition. Love grows through freshness of perception. If you cannot see your partner new today, you will keep demanding yesterday back, and yesterday can never return. Look carefully at society. Why do we need so many festivals? So much entertainment? So many distractions? Because people are deeply unhappy. A truly joyful person does not need constant entertainment. Only a sad mind looks for noise, lights, fireworks, celebrations. They create a temporary illusion of happiness. But when the lights fade, the same sadness returns. That is why we need more festivals, more screens, more stimulation. A peaceful human being does not need to be entertained. Now listen very carefully. Being new does not mean changing your calendar. Being new means changing your attention. The moment you can look at today without demanding yesterday to repeat, life becomes fresh. If your partner laughed yesterday, do not expect the same laugh today. If love came yesterday, do not demand it today. Leave today open. When expectation enters, dust begins to gather, and dust turns life into habit. Once, a seeker asked a mystic, "How long should I practice peace?" The mystic said, "For one moment." The seeker asked, "What can happen in one moment?" The mystic replied, "If you learn how to be fully peaceful in a single moment, your entire life will transform. Because life is nothing but many single moments. We know how to make moments old. We don't know how to keep them alive. We are experts in repetition. That is why even love becomes dull. And this may sound strange, but listen. Sometimes new sadness is better than old happiness. Old happiness becomes memory. It loses its fragrance. So people who cannot find new joy start inventing new pain. At least pain feels alive. That is why addictions exist. That is why people self-destruct. They want to feel something new. To be new, you must stop clinging. Stop demanding continuity. Stop asking life to repeat itself. The sun that rose yesterday will never rise again, and that is its beauty. If you keep searching for old meanings, you will miss the living truth. Newness needs space, and space appears only when the old is released. The real new year is not on the calendar. The real new year is when you drop yesterday, when you wake up without carrying conclusions, when you see without comparing, when you love without conditions. Then, every day is a festival. Every morning is New Year. Every breath is fresh.